All right, I want to make a quick short video on the Honda ST1300. I just put tires, had to fix a wheel on that, so got a front tire and a wheel after a pothole. But what we were doing is a battery. And if you're looking at this, you're like, how in the world do I get to the battery? Where is it? How do I even get the seat off? I'm going to help answer these questions for you. This is one of the more insanely complex designs, like the front brake system on a ST1300. So what you've got is you've got a couple things. You've got these things here, and you have to release this with the key, both of them. And after this is released, you lift this up. Okay? Now, look down here. That little tiny tab there, you push that down like that, and that is what releases the rear seat. Talk about a pain in the butt. So yeah, you're looking at this, you've got these unlocked, these are up, and you need to then reach in with your finger, push this down, and then you can lift up the back of the seat and remove the seat off the bike. Now, next step you need to do if you're doing a battery, you come over here, this side's got to be up. This is how you release the saddlebag. Lift up on the saddlebag, bring it off. Then you're going to have to take out this and this to remove the side cover, and then down there is where the battery is. Okay? Hope this helps you guys.